Daphne. Daphne. Sugar. I want to thank you for covering up for me. You're a real pal.
Oh, it's nothing. I just thought that us girls should stick together.
If it wasn't for you, they would have kicked me off the train. I'd be out in the middle of nowhere, sitting on my ukulele.
Oh, it's freezing outside. I mean, when I think about you and your poor ukulele.
If there's ever anything I can do for you.
I can think of a million things. That's one of them.
Sweet Sue.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want her to know we're in cahoots.
Oh, well, we won't tell anybody. We're not even Josephine.
Maybe I better stay here till she goes back to sleep.
You stay here as long as you like.
I'm not crowding you, am I?
No, it's nice and cozy.
When I was a little girl on cold nights like this, I used to crawl into bed with my sister. We'd cuddle up under the covers and pretend we were lost in a dark cave and were trying to find our way out.
That's very interesting.
Anything wrong?
No, not a thing.
You poor thing, you're trembling all over.
It's ridiculous.
Your head's hot.
Ridiculous.
You've got cold feet.
Isn't that ridiculous?
Here, let me warm them up a little. There. Isn't that better?
Yes, I'm a girl.
What'd you say?
I'm a very sick girl.
Oh, I better go before I catch something.
I'm not that sick.
I've got very low resistance.
Oh, well, Sugar, if you feel that you're coming down with something, my dear, the best thing in the world is a shot of whiskey.
You got some?
I don't want to get it. Don't move. Hold on.
Okay.
Up, now.
Are you all right?
I'm fine.
How's the bottle?
Half full.
You better get some cups.
Cups. Oh, I tell you, my dear, this is the only way to travel.
You better put on the lights. I can't see what I'm doing.
No lights. We don't want them to know we're having a party.
But I may spill some.
So spill it. Spills, thrills, laughs, and games. This may even turn out to be a surprise party.
What's a surprise?
Uh-oh. Not yet.
When?
Better have a drink first.
That'll put hair on your chest.
No fair guessing.
Is this a private clam bake, or can anybody
Yes,
join?
it's private. Please, go away.
Dolores, do you still have that bottle of vermouth?
Sure.
Who needs vermouth?
We've got bourbon. We can make Manhattans.
Okay.
Manhattans at this time of night?
Bring the cocktail shaker.
Oh, Sugar. You're going to spoil my surprise.
Hey, honey, what's that? Party in upper 7.
A party. I'll get some cheese and crackers.
I'll get a cocktail shaker. You get a corkscrew.
Okay. Hey, Rosella, there's a party in upper 7.
Yeah?
You got a corkscrew?
No, but Stella has.
Well, go get some paper cups.
Okay.
Hey, there's a party in upper 7.
Party in upper 7.
Oh, yeah. A party in upper 7.
Here's the vermouth.
This is a private party. Will you please go away?
I brought some cheese and crackers in case anybody gets hungry.
What is 10 cups be enough? Party for two. 10 cups. What is... Please, girls, will you please stop this?
Could you use some sellotape?
7 cups. Shh. Now, George, you're going to wake up the neighbors downstairs. Now, Josephine, will you watch that corkscrew?
Here's a
Will you...
cracker.
No crackers in bed. Will you girls go away and form your own party?
Here's the cocktail shaker. I wish we had some ice.
Hey, easy on the vermouth.
13 girls in the berth is bad luck. 12 of you have to get out.
Pass me the peanut butter.
Anyone for salami?
No more food. I'll dance in the morning.
Have you got any maraschino cherries on you? Oh, never mind.
Mosquito cherries.
What's going on here? Daphne! Daphne, where are you? Daphne!
It's not my fault. I didn't invite him.
Come on, girls, break it up.
I tell you, you heard Josephine. Girls, everybody out. Everybody out. Not you, Sugar.
I'm just going to get some ice.
Get out! Get out! That's right, Sugar. All right, now the rest of you. Out!
Oh, don't be a flat guy.
So the one-legged jockey said...
What did he say?
So the one-legged jockey said, don't worry about me, baby. I ride side saddle.
Oh, shh. Terribly sorry. I think I think...
Hey, let's rub some ice on her neck.
I told you. Ow, you dropped it. Oh, it's cold. Oh, no, please. Oh, don't do that. She's ticklish. Oh, no, you don't understand. Help! Help! Josephine! Please stop that! Stop that! Stop that!
All right, what's going on around here?
Are we in Florida?